Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to log in to your Shellpoint Mortgage account. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type shellpointmtg.com and hit on enter right now. Now this is the official homepage of Shellpoint. You can scroll down and look at all the features provided, but for now we only want to sign in. As you can see on the navbar on the top right, there's something like register and sign in. Simply click on the sign in button right here. Now a new page will open up giving you two options, that is sign into your account or create an account. If you want to create an account, click this button right here that says create an account, but for now we simply want to sign in. Click on the sign in button right here. Now what you need to do right here is enter your username, and once you have entered your username, simply click on next. Now what you need to do is enter your password in this section right here. In case you forgot your username or password, here are the buttons, click on them and follow the prompts. That way you can again regain access to your account. Now let's simply enter our credentials. Once everything's okay, simply hit on the sign in button right here and then you will be redirected to your mortgage account. Well guys, that's it for the video. That's how you log in to your Shellpoint Mortgage account. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.